Okay. Yes, we'll continue the triangles topic now. Okay, so we are discussing the example problems related to BPT theorem. Okay, last one example I want to discuss. So I'll share the page for you people. Okay. Yes, here we have one more example that is your textbook problem only, example 2. Okay, we will end up the discussion after this problem. See, example 2 we have, yes, ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. Okay, E and IF are the points and on non-parallel sides AD and BC respectively, such that EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. Show that this AE divided by ED, which is equal to BF divided by FC. Just I want to repeat this problem again. ABCD is a trapezium. Got the idea, no? With AB parallel to DC. Okay, ABCD trapezium, in that two sides AB parallel to DC. E and F are the points on non-parallel sides. E ಮತ್ತೆ F ಅನ್ನೋದು non-parallel sides ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? AD and BC. E and F are the points on the non-parallel sides. Okay, such that this EF line is parallel to AB. EF line is parallel to AB is given. Show that what we have to show here. This AE divided by ED, ratio of this, which is equal to BF divided by FC. BF divided by FC. Okay, so for this diagram is not sufficient. So we have to do the construction part. So what we have to do the construction part? We have to join AC. We have to join AC. See here you can observe the dotted line. So that while joining AC, it touches the EF point at one point. Now EF line at one point. Okay, that point you have to name it as G. Okay, so then this is the picture for example 2. Let us join AC to intersect EF at G. So now what you are observing is AB parallel to DC according to trapezium property, and it is given that AB parallel to EF. From this what we can conclude is EF is also parallel to DC. The lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. You all know this AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to EF. Then according to lines parallel to same line are parallel to each other, then EF is also parallel to DC. Lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So now in a triangle ADC, they took the first triangle. Are you observing the first triangle here? In a triangle ADC, EG is parallel to DC. Can I take? Because G is a point on EF. If EF is parallel to DC, then EG is also parallel to DC. Now ADC is one triangle. Here EG line is parallel to DC. Can you apply the Thales theorem here? That is AE divided by ED, which is equal to AG divided by GC. Got the idea, no? Theorem 6.1. Don't write theorem 6.1. There you have to write Thales theorem or BPT theorem. Call this equation as equation number 1. Similarly, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಈ ತರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. This GF is parallel to AB, no? Yes, GF is parallel to AB. According to that condition, CG divided by AG, which is equal to CF divided by BF. Got the idea, no? Okay, so then what we have to do? We have to take the reciprocal AG divided by GC, which is equal to BF divided by FC. Therefore, from one end to what we can observe, something is common. AG by GC, here also there, here also. Then AE by ED, which is equal to BF by FC. So what we have to show? They have given what we have to show actually. AE by VD, which is equal to BF by FC ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ. For that first step, ADC triangle, for that apply BPT. Then for CAB triangle, apply BPT. For CAB triangle, take the reciprocal of the ratio. Then equation 1 and equation 2, compare equation 1 and 2, axiom 1, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. According to that condition, we got the result as AE divided by ED, which is equal to BF divided by FC. Got the clear picture of this problem now, example 2. And in your textbook there is one more example, example 3, that is also very simple question. You just go through that problem. If you are having any confusion, you can discuss later. So this is the end of the example part section. Now you are able to solve the second exercise of BPT theorem. Okay, so first whatever shared today, no, okay, I'll send that in your WhatsApp group. First write all the examples first. After writing the example, you start with the exercise part. Okay, if you are having confusion in exercise part, don't write this exercise part directly in your fair notes. First work out in rough book, so confirm whether you are right or not. Afterwards you can copy. Okay, so anyhow we are sending the answers for each and every questions, no, but some students, they are copying as it is whatever we are sending, so you are not thinking. So but you have to work out by your own, students. Clear? So today we will end class for this. Okay, so today's homework is second exercise, that is problems related to BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Last 2 minutes I'll give chance to everyone, so you can ask your doubts. If you are having any doubts, you can ask now. Yes, unmute all now. You can send the message also.